Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a little extra of a bath bomb demo that I normally do. Today I'm actually going to be making my own bath bomb with this set that I got from Home Bargains. It was £3.99 I think it was. And once we have made the bath bomb demo, we are then going to actually do the bath bomb demo to see what it looks like when it is going. So the brand is Bubble Tea. Make your own bath fizzer or bath bomb. And it has its little things that it says there, which you can see on camera. So I'm just going to open it up and show you exactly what we get better than what it's showing you now. So there you go, you can see exactly what you get. If I can get it out. So I'm just going to take everything out, make it easier. Couldn't even get it out then. There we go. Struggles are real. Come on. You can hear any noises. That is Mr. Pickles, the little parrot. We don't have a crow on the side. So that is everything that you get in the packet. So obviously you get your two halves of the bath bomb that you fill up. And you can see like little pegs that just slot in. So I'm going to have my assistant take that packaging off. And then you get your stuff that they call confetti. I don't know why they call this confetti, because it's not a confetti, it's actually a bubble bath and shower gel. Then you get this stuff, which is bath salts that we're going to be putting in. And then you also get like a bath bomb tea bag with your string. If you're wondering what that noise was, he's taking the packaging off. So it smells really, really fruity. It's really, really nice. And we are in a second going to start making it.
Goji berry.
Goji berry, that's the scent. So now we are going to have fun with this. I don't know how this is going to go, but hopefully it's going to be fun. So first of all, I'm going to put some of the bath salts in. Couldn't even think what they were called then. Ooh, that's a real strong scent. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that in. And then I'm going to put, we're just getting the stuff off it. The thing that's nice when you're making this bath bomb is that you're going to get loads of things extra left over. So it's nice to put in your bath as well. Can you do that?
Yeah.
We're just struggling at the minute to get this foil off the shower gel.
I get a mouthful of this.
I heard that, sis.
Oh. You do it. Oh, mouthful of it.
Okay, so I'm going to try and take this off.
How easy was that for you?
And put the lid back on, and then we're going to squeeze some in. So this has like a lighter scent. And then I'm going to put some more of them in. It's basically simple how to make it. You just do exactly what I'm doing.
Maybe not so much.
Maybe not so much, correct. And I'm going to put the same in the other one.
Oh.
Give that a shake. And that'll do, and then we're going to connect them and then put them into the tea bag. This is where it's going to get messy now. I didn't quite think this part over, but holy moly. Okay, this is going to be fun. Oh my days. Okay, it's going to go everywhere. Just so you guys know, if you are doing this, you may want to put a towel down or something. I'm just too lazy to do that right now. So, damn it. Okay, here we go. I did say it would go everywhere, so that was expected. So, yeah. Now I'm going to get the tea bag, and we're going to put it in the tea bag, because it's all connected. And it's quite heavy as well when you get all your stuff in there. Okay, it's in the tea bag, and I'm going to tie it off.
It's a slip knot.
Yeah, it's just basically a slip knot. It's not a slip knot.
You have to do both of them. Pull both of them.
Okay, and that has now come apart. Okay, anyway, that is how you make it. We're now going to chuck that in a bath, and we're going to get on with the demo because this is getting seriously messy, guys. We'll be seeing you in a minute.